how to fix unable to update WhatsApp on iPhone. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can update WhatsApp on iPhone. So let's jump straight into it. Some iPhone users have been facing issues when trying to update WhatsApp in the App Store, sometimes even seeing an error message that says WhatsApp Messenger no longer available. The developer has removed this app from the App Store. But don't worry, WhatsApp is still available, and I'll walk you through a few simple ways to fix this problem. The first thing you should try is restarting your iPhone. To do this, open Settings, then tap on General and scroll down until you find Shutdown. Tap on it and drag the slider to turn your iPhone off. Once it's completely powered down, press and hold the side button or the sleep-wake button, depending on your iPhone model, until the Apple logo appears. A quick restart often fixes temporary glitches and may solve the update issue. If that doesn't work, the next option is to change your Apple ID country or region. Open Settings, then tap on your name at the very top. Select Media and Purchases, then tap on View Account. You may need to sign in. Next, choose Country or Region. Pick the country you want and then tap on Change Country or Region to continue. This step can sometimes fix App Store availability errors. Finally, if the problem still persists, check your network and App Store settings. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection. Then go back into Settings, scroll down and tap on App Store. Here, confirm that both app updates and automatic downloads are turned on. This ensures your iPhone is allowed to update apps automatically in the background. After adjusting these settings, return to the App Store and try updating WhatsApp again. If it still doesn't work, the last step is to delete WhatsApp completely and reinstall it from the App Store. This often clears up stuck updates. And that's it. And thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.